How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be doing our first modification to the Wood-Mizer LX25. If you guys watch my channel, I'm sure you know that I like to modify things, make things easier. So let's get to it. The water. Adjusting the water is such a major pain. To try to adjust it, it seems like you're running out more water trying to get it adjusted. So my simple fix is not a very expensive one, actually pretty simple. We put two shutoffs on it. So we adjust this shutoff to the flow that we want, and then the original shutoff will just turn on and off when we want water. We'll mount this one down here to adjust the flow, and this one up here will be to turn it on and off. So that's what we're going to do today. So all we're going to do is just pull this out, and we're going to go ahead and splice. We're going to go ahead and cut this line and put our new piece in there. We've got the dog hound back here. Come on, April, come here. I think she hears me talking. So we're just going to cut this line. Just in half. No big deal. So I just took a knife and cut the line and went ahead and put the shutoff in there. Now make sure you know the direction, the flow direction. It's got an arrow on your shutoff. So we're going to go ahead and get this guy put back in. And now we can turn our water off down here. We can turn this off, turn this water all the way on, and then we'll turn this one on to where we get the correct flow rate. This takes a long time when you're doing your getting ready to cut your wood. It seems like you're taking forever trying to get a good flow rate on that thing. Now we got a fairly decent little stream of water. Let me show you here. We have a fairly decent. And I think that's enough. You know, you don't need a ton of water when you're sawing. You just need some water just to keep that blade cool. So now you can see it over here leaking. All I have to do is shut this one off, and it turns it all the way down. And then when I'm ready to saw again, I just turn that on, and I got the same amount of flow all the time going through that line. That was a quick and easy modification to the Wood-Mizer LX25. Now, eventually, we're going to put a bigger water tank on this. I don't know where I'm going to get one or how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to figure it out.